Water.
Water.
Lots of water. Believe it or not, it does help keep your weight down. It obviously keeps you hydrated. You can talk more about all of the benefits, but for me, it just feels good. It's mostly what I drink all the time.
At 54, Jennifer Lopez continues to impress the world with her timeless beauty, incredible talent, and youthful vitality. Jennifer Lopez, affectionately known as J-Lo, was born on July 24, 1969 in the Bronx, New York City, making her 54 years old. Renowned for her multifaceted career in the entertainment, Lopez has been a dominant force in acting, singing, and dancing for over 3 decades. She first gained prominence with her breakout role in the 1997 biopic Selena, which showcased her acting prowess and singing talent. Lopez's illustrious music career features hits like If You Had My Love, Jenny from the Block, and On the Floor, cementing her status as a global pop icon. Lopez's commitment to health and fitness is evident in her flawless complexion and toned physique. In addition to her fitness dedication, Lopez's beauty routine plays a significant role in her youthful look. She emphasizes the importance of skincare and minimal makeup. I always make sure to take my makeup off, to cleanse my face, and to use a good moisturizer. She shares. Her radiant skin, combined with her natural beauty and confidence, makes her a timeless figure in the entertainment industry. In this video, we will be looking at her exercise routine. We will also be discussing her diet to stay healthy. We would then reveal her 2 supplements. Lastly, we will look into 3 anti-aging fruits she eats to maintain her ageless beauty. Her exercise routine. Jennifer Lopez, known for her incredible physique and boundless energy, follows a strict exercise routine that keeps her looking fit and fabulous. Let's dive into 3 exercises she swears by. 1. Lifting weights. Jennifer Lopez incorporates lifting weights into her fitness regimen to build strength and maintain a toned physique. She frequently shares glimpses of her weightlifting sessions on social media, inspiring her followers with her dedication. Monday morning, let's get it, #lift. She captioned a post showcasing her commitment to strength training. 2. Home workouts. During the pandemic, Jennifer, like many of us, turned to home workouts to stay fit. Her then-fiancé Alex Rodriguez shared a video of their DIY circuit workout, which included a 400-meter run around the garden, 15 kettlebell swings, and 10 push-ups.
We're going to do 20 minutes, 400 meters. We're going to run, 15 kettlebell swings, 10 push-ups, 15 over the shoulder, and then 15 bent rows.
Jennifer says working out at home can be just as effective as going to the gym if you stay committed. Home workouts are convenient and versatile, allowing you to customize your routine to fit your fitness level and goals. Running improves cardiovascular health, kettlebell swings build strength and enhance core stability, and push-ups are excellent for upper body strength. 3. Dance rehearsals. As a professional dancer, Jennifer Lopez incorporates dance rehearsals into her fitness routine, which keeps her body in top shape. Dance has always been a huge part of my life, and taking the time to move my body and do something that's so good for me is key to my happiness. She shares. Dance rehearsals offer an excellent cardiovascular workout and enhance muscle tone, flexibility, and balance. Dancing burns a significant amount of calories, helping maintain a healthy weight. It also improves coordination and mental acuity, as learning and remembering dance routines can be cognitively challenging. Additionally, dancing releases endorphins, which significantly boost mood and reduce stress. Her diet. Jennifer Lopez's incredible physique isn't just the result of her dedication to exercise. Her diet plays a crucial role too. Let's take a look at the key components of her eating habits. Whole, fresh foods. Jennifer Lopez's diet is rich in whole, fresh foods. She stays away from processed foods and gets her nutrients from whole sources, says her personal trainer, Dodd. Tracy Anderson, her former trainer, adds, quote-unquote, everything is fresh. There's nothing processed, especially when it comes to carbs. On her website, Anderson explains, quote-unquote, I have her eating very clean because she needs really good fuel for all the things that she's doing. It's all organic and balanced with high-quality proteins and nutrient-dense food. Jennifer prefers oatmeal, sweet potatoes, brown rice, and quinoa over white bread, breakfast cereals, donuts, and pastries. For vegetables, she fills her plate with leafy greens like kale and spinach, along with broccoli, while avoiding carrots and corn due to their higher natural sugar content. Whole, fresh foods are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Protein, but not salmon. Protein is a staple in Jennifer's diet. She starts her day with egg whites and prefers white meat, including lean cuts of turkey and chicken or grass-fed beef for lunch and dinner. She says, protein is my go-to. It fills me up and keeps me full longer. It's a great muscle fuel. We eat a lot of green vegetables, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and kale. She adds about her family meals. No vices. Unlike many, Jennifer avoids alcohol, smoking, and caffeine. She says, I don't drink or smoke or have caffeine. That really wrecks your skin as you get older. Instead, she sips decaf in the morning. Avoiding alcohol, smoking, and excessive caffeine consumption has numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, certain cancers, and liver damage. It also supports healthy skin, improves sleep quality, and enhances overall well-being. 2 supplements she never misses. Jennifer Lopez's commitment to health extends beyond her diet and exercise routine. She also incorporates supplements into her daily regimen. She works out hard. Yes, she eats super healthy, but supplements are there to help with that extra edge. Let's explore the supplements she swears by. Multivitamin. Jennifer Lopez takes a multivitamin daily to ensure she's meeting her nutritional needs. Multivitamins contain a combination of essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and well-being. By taking a multivitamin, Jennifer ensures she's getting adequate nutrients, especially on busy days when her diet may be less than perfect. Collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are another supplement favored by Jennifer Lopez. Collagen is a protein found naturally in the body, responsible for maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and overall structural integrity. As we age, collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and decreased muscle mass. Supplementing with collagen peptides can help support collagen production and maintain youthful skin and strong joints. 3 anti-aging fruits she eats. Jennifer Lopez's radiant appearance isn't just a result of her exercise routine and healthy diet. She also incorporates anti-aging fruits into her meals. Let's explore some of the fruits she swears by for maintaining youthful skin and overall vitality. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Jennifer Lopez includes berries in her diet for their potent anti-aging properties. Berries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which promote collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. It's loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making it a staple in Jennifer Lopez's anti-aging diet. Avocado is particularly beneficial for skin health due to its high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. The healthy fats in avocado help moisturize the skin from within, keeping it supple and hydrated. It also contains vitamin E, which protects the skin from oxidative damage and promotes skin elasticity. Additionally, avocado is rich in vitamins C and K, which further contribute to skin health and repair. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are renowned for their high vitamin C content and refreshing taste. Jennifer Lopez incorporates citrus fruits into her diet for their immune-boosting and skin-enhancing properties. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen synthesis in the skin. Citrus fruits also contain bioflavonoids, which enhance the absorption of vitamin C and contribute to overall skin health. Additionally, the high water content in citrus fruits helps keep the skin hydrated and radiant. To sum it up, Jennifer Lopez's life is like a colorful storybook filled with taking care of her body and enjoying tasty and healthy foods. It's a beautiful story of a life full of care and joy.